near side cradle from a base. Before we get into this next technique, I want to stress that for what we do as law enforcement or private security or tactical in general, I prefer the far side cradle. The only reason that I would go to a near side cradle is because the person that I'm fighting is much bigger and I can't get the lock from the far side, so I got to go around to the near side. From my base, from where I'm at, I'm in a perfect position for handcuffing and holding him in here. Once I switch to this near side, as you'll see, I'm going to end up putting him on his hip, which is where a jiu-jitsu guy is used to shrimping for guard. Having said that, will work from that position. So he's here, same exact thing. Remember the rules of a cradle. If he can kiss his knee, he can kiss his butt goodbye. So from this position here, I'm pinching his hips. Here, he brings that knee up to stand up. What I'm going to do is let go of the lock, and I'm going to come around here. Now I use my head or my chin, and I drive it into his ribs. Flatten out. You have to be careful from this position. Make sure that you don't put your knees down, because now he's going to start shrimping for that leg. You start replacing guard. So from here, you're up in this position. This allows you the opportunity, if you need to break up and watch your six. Okay? From that position too, one more time, I could also give him commands to flatten out. And if he is compliant, I can feel the tension. Okay, he kind of starts to limp up a little bit. He's relaxing, he'll flatten out, and nothing bad will happen to him. If he doesn't, I can start bringing knees in and adding trauma where I see fit. One more time, same thing. I'm here. You'll see what I'm doing is I'm spinning to the side that he puts up, my radio side. This is ambidextrous. If he goes the other way, it's the same thing to the gun side because I'm landing in the base. So from here, I spin. My arm goes from straight around his butt to the inside hook. Underhook, swim over his arm. From here, I drive in, flatten out, that's what's going to happen to you. I start to feel him flatten out, he flattens, and I cover. If he doesn't flatten out, he still tenses up. I start delivering some knees, delivering some trauma. Near side cradle.